Hey everyone! I wanted to come in and do my nails today. So today we're actually going to be doing a low-key Valentine's Day set. I wanted to do that trend I've been seeing online, glass nails. They pretty much do a cat eye and they kind of make it pop, make it shine, kind of like this. This is my favorite part, look at that. And after this, we kind of go in with a matte top coat. The one I'm going to be using is a chrome proof, but it's my favorite. I absolutely swear by this. It's just chef kiss. If you have not tried it, it's my go-to for everything. And then we're going to go in with my Macart rhinestone gel. It's the best. It's wipeless, it has no inhibition layer. You just go in with your design, do what you want to do, and boom, you're done. For this first design, I'm doing a simple little XO. Okay, and now on to the next one. Right here, I'm trying to create like little heart-shaped water drops, if that makes sense, or at least make it look like it's heart-shaped water drops. You can start seeing coming in now. I think this design is just so freaking cool. Right here, I'm just letting my creativity take over. I'm making these heart outlines and trying to make it look like it's blooming outward, if that makes sense. You'll see what I mean in a couple moments. Trust the process. Okay, and right here, guys, can you guess what we're doing? If you guessed a cheetah print moment, you're absolutely right. Y'all know me and my cheetah print. We go like hand in hand. Okay, you guys ready for the grand reveal of my low-key Valentine's Day set? Here we have it. If you guys enjoyed this, thank you so much for hanging out, and I hope to see you again next time. There's definitely more to come. I'm so glad to be able to share my art with you guys. Until next time.